So I see you made it to my channel, and you may be watching a video. So while you're at it, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and also leave a comment. While you're watching your video, hit craftsbydiane. Here it will bring you to my page. Click on videos to see all my videos that I have uploaded. I do have a few playlists, but the community page is the most important. Here is where I'm going to upload pictures that have the size and dimensions needed to create the tissue boxes. I will try to put the dimensions with the videos so that you will be able to create them right away. There's also a story page that you can go to. So please feel free to watch any video and learn. And remember, this is a beginning YouTube channel for plastic canvas. This is to teach new people who've never even seen or heard of plastic canvas be able to create these really beautiful designs. And if you are advanced, you can fast forward at any time, or you can just skip through the parts you already know. But as for the new people who've never touched plastic canvas, you can buy the plastic canvas at any Walmart or craft store, and the yarn is just regular yarn. It's very inexpensive. And the needles, they are not very expensive either. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day.